Hello viewers, in today's class we are going to take up some uh, problems on integration in which we will use the trigonometrical identities, right? So let us take the first question and then we'll see which trigonometrical identity will be used to solve that problem. Now here we have this problem. We have to integrate sine 3x cos 4x, right? So let us first call this integral I, right? Now here we'll use the identity. We have already learned this identity, that is 2 sine say A cos B is equal to sine A plus B plus sine A minus B, right? So this is the trigonometrical identity which will be used to integrate this function. Now here see we have the product of sine and cos, right? So here also we have the product of sine and cos, and for A, that is for angle A, we have 3x, and for B we have 4x, right? So now this integral I can be written as I is equal to integral sign, then see here we have the factor 2. So what we will do, will divide by 2 and multiplied by 2, right? So this function will be multiplied by 2 and divided by 2. So we can write half integral 2 sine 3x cos 4x dx, right? So now this expression, it looks like this: 2 sine A cos B is equal to sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. So the product function, right, the product of sine and cos will be converted into the sum of sine function and sine function, right? So now here we can write half integral. Now for A we have 3x and for B we have 4x. So here we'll substitute the value of A as 3x and B as 4x. So this integral now becomes sine 3x plus 4x plus sine 3x minus 4x, right? Okay. Now we can simplify it. We have half integral. Now this becomes sine 7x plus sine, this is 3x minus 4x, so we have minus x, right, and dx. Now this sign of minus x can be written as here we have sine 7x, and taking this negative sign to in front of sine, so we have minus sine x, right? Because we know that sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta, right? Okay, so now we have here sine function, here also we have sine function, and we know that the integral of sine ax, right, the integral of sine ax is minus 1 over a cos ax, right? So here we have half, then integral of sine 7x is minus 1 over 7 sine it is cos, so this is cos 7x, and then we have minus, and the integral of sine x is minus cos x, right? And here we have the constant of integration as c, right? So now if we simplify it, then we have minus 1 over 14, cos 7x, and minus get plus. So here we have plus half cos x plus c. So this is the integral of this function, right? Now let us take one more problem. So here we have to integrate cos 2x multiplied cos 4x. So let us call this integral as I. Now here we have the product of two cosine functions. So we'll use the trigonometrical identity which involves the product of two cosine functions, and we know that 2 cos a cos b is equal to cos of a plus b plus cos a minus b, right? So here we'll make use of this identity. Now this expression, right, this expression it becomes here we can write I, and again we'll multiply it by 2 and divide it by 2. So we get half integral 2 cos 2x cos 4x dx, right? Now for a for this angle a we can take 2x, and for b we can take 4x. So a is 2x and b is 4x, right? So now we'll convert this product into the sum of these two cos functions. So we can write half integral, and we have cos a plus b. So here we have cos 2x plus 4x, that is a plus b. Then we have cos a minus b. So here we have 2x minus 4x, right, and dx. Now simplifying it, we have half, and cos 2x plus 4x is 6x. So we have cos 6x, and here we have cos minus 2x, right? Now we know the integral of cos function, that is the integral of cos ax dx, can be written as 1 over a sine ax, and we also know that cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta, right? So this expression can be written as half integral, here we have cos 6x, and here we have cos of minus 2x is simply cos of 2x, so we'll write it as cos of 2x dx. Now this is half, and integral of cos 6x can be written with the help of this formula. So we have 1 over 6 sine 6x, and here we have half sine 2x, right, and plus c is the constant of integration, right? So now this can further be written as 1 over 12 sine 6x plus 1 over 4 sine 2x plus c. So this is the required integration of this function.